Jim is a furniture salesman. His weekly pay is $300 plus 3.5% of his total sales for the week. Jim sells X dollars worth of furniture during the week. Write a function P of X which could be used to determine his pay for the week. Use this function to determine his pay to the nearest cent for a week when these are his sales. Okay, so P of X, this function, is based on two things. Money that he makes automatically, $300 a week no matter what, and money that is dependent on his total sales, X, for the week. Okay, so 300 is a number that stands by itself because no matter what, he makes 300. The 3.5% is attached to X. Now here's the thing, we're not going to put percent into our equation. Instead, we need to change it to a decimal. To do that, we know percent's out of 100, so we do 3.5 divided by 100. Okay, which gives us 0.035. So this decimal is what goes into an equation, because again, you can't put a percentage into an equation. Okay, so this is the function to determine Jim's pay per week. Okay, so now we want to use this function to determine his pay to the nearest cent if this is his sales. So we need to be careful about where this number belongs. P of X would be how much money he takes home, his pay for the week. That's not what we're talking about. X is what we're interested in. It's the dollars worth of furniture he sells per week. In other words, it's his sales for the week, right? How much he's going to make depends upon how much furniture he sells. So in place of X, we're going to put in the dollar amount of how much furniture he sold. He sold $82.50 worth of furniture. And if we type this into the calculator, we type it in just like this on the calculator, and it gives us 588.75. Normally for the nearest cent, you would have to round to 2 decimal places, but this comes with 2 decimal places, so that's it. And this is our answer for how much would Jim make in this particular week.